Well, my boys, welcome to another video. Again, today going to show you the live performance of our spike killer system. As you guys can see, we started the recording of this video. The arrow appeared. We opened the trade with 100 standard lot, and boom 300 posted this signal live in our group. I'm waiting for a spike to make profit. Keep watching the video how actually the system works, how actually this system we claim profitable. So all things front of you guys. Hoping for a big spike. Look here, the first candle is about to close and we are here to wait for a spike. Stop loss will be 3 candles. If you want to get this tool, check the description, chat with our team, the guys will help you. Look here guys, the boom 300 just turned the spike and we are in profit. Now going to close this trade in profit, and also my all group members made profit on this trade. Thanks for watching. All links in description. Thank you.